got a new one. It's called Get Tired of Just fly, man. Fly. And we get another one. Is the boat. We got a new player. We get good water. And we get Hutchinson, and that's got through the season. We get the English man who's been in the papers for something recently, Sterling. We get a walkout of what you call off in this game. I've already got him now, so I'm not going to hold it, and we get Pogba. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I've got the finger as well. I can just tap just about anything in the game, I don't know. When I try to tap something like all over the place, the thing is these are made for you to tap on them. The thing is just started over. You can just tap there, so it's all good. Another space. We get hits. I think you can actually not want it. And we get Luke Shaw, what is his name? And then we get Ashley. And we get Zaza. In a great season for us. And we got Gary Cahill guys. And at the end of this series, we do get through. And we say there, I'm not going to. Oh, another new card. A goalkeeper, Jim Hart. Next, we have Saul. I think his name is pronounced like that, guys. So if I pronounce it wrong, you'll someone out there. We get Shakira, guys. Our performance ranking is the best so far. I think he's better than our previous guys. Get Akibu. We get Manuel. We get Navas. Montero. And we do get Nasty. And we do actually get Hamster, guys. I think is Mackie, one of the best Mackie players this season. Then we get Chris Smalling. And guys, for the last pack, we are going to do the special pack. We're going to get a 60 live 30 seconds guys. Cool. So yeah. Sterling. To be honest, I don't think like it's cool that we do a special pack, but not so good that that's always pack to get 10 seconds left, guys, so you won't have to watch this for much longer. I know I don't watch it for much longer. Sorry if you have to like the game. I've actually downloaded this game,